Hello everyone! Are you curious about the common causes of flat tires and how to prevent them? Let's explore! Flat tires can be a frustrating experience for cyclists, but understanding the common causes and taking preventive measures can help minimize the risk of encountering them on your rides. One of the primary culprits behind flat tires is road debris. Objects like glass shards, nails, screws, and thorns can puncture your tire and cause a flat. Avoiding debris-filled areas and being vigilant about scanning the road ahead can help reduce the likelihood of encountering such hazards. Pinch flats, also known as snake bites, are another common issue. These occur when the tire is compressed between the rim and an obstacle, causing the inner tube to pinch and puncture. To prevent pinch flats, maintain proper tire pressure, as underinflated tires are more susceptible to this type of damage. Additionally, be mindful of obstacles like potholes, curbs, and rocks, and try to avoid hitting them at high speeds. Worn-out tires are also prone to flats. Over time, the tread on your tires wears down, making them more susceptible to punctures. Regularly inspect your tires for signs of wear and tear, such as cracks, cuts, or thinning tread, and replace them as needed to prevent flats and maintain optimal performance. Proper tire pressure is crucial for preventing flats and ensuring a smooth ride. Overinflated tires are more prone to punctures, as the increased pressure makes the tire less flexible and more susceptible to damage from sharp objects. Conversely, underinflated tires are more prone to pinch flats, as they lack the necessary support to withstand impacts. Check your tire pressure regularly with a reliable gauge and adjust it according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Consider using puncture-resistant tires for added protection against flats. These tires feature reinforced casings and thicker tread layers designed to withstand punctures from sharp objects. While they may be slightly heavier than standard tires, the added peace of mind and reduced risk of flats can be well worth it, especially for riders who frequently encounter debris-strewn roads or rough terrain. In summary, flat tires can be caused by various factors, including road debris, pinch flats, worn-out tires, and improper tire pressure. To prevent flats, cyclists should avoid debris-filled areas, maintain proper tire pressure, regularly inspect their tires for signs of wear, and consider using puncture-resistant tires for added protection. By taking these preventive measures, you can enjoy a smoother, more enjoyable riding experience with fewer interruptions due to flat tires. Thank you for watching. Please follow for more related videos and see you later. Goodbye.